Charges have been dropped against a former Ladue police officer who shot a woman outside of a Schnucks. The criminal case from 2019 is being dismissed at the request of the victim. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Mike Bush. 5 on your side's Justina Cornell was there when this shooting happened 2 years ago. And today she learned more about why the criminal charges are being dropped.
Both of their lives really changed on that day.
April 23rd, 2019. It took one day to intertwine the lives of Julia Cruz and Ashley Fountain Hall forever. Officials say Hall and another woman left a Ladue Schnucks without paying. Officer Cruz stopped Hall in the parking lot. Prosecutors say Hall tried to run away. Hall says she tried leaving when she found out she wasn't under arrest. Cruz announced she was deploying her taser, but mistakenly grabbed her gun and shot Hall in the torso.
She said as soon as it happened, she remembers Julia coming up to her, apologizing in tears, and staying with her, and that meant something to her.
St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney Wesley Bell explains from the beginning, Hall expressed her forgiveness, and Cruz showed her remorse. Because of that, the prosecution process took a different route. Hall and Cruz chose something called restorative justice mediation.
And this doesn't happen unless the victim, in this case Ashley, is 100% on board.
Victims get an opportunity to be heard, to talk directly to the person that's hurt them. They have a chance to be angry and emotional and sad and hurt. But they also get a chance to hear for themselves if the person who hurt them is truly sorry.
Bell was there to witness the interaction virtually.
Not only Julia seeing her remorse and Ashley forgiving her, and they literally told each other they loved each other at least 4 or 5 times.
Along with their facilitator, Seema Gajwani.
They are two people who have the biggest hearts of anyone I think I've ever met.
Before this case, this type of mediation had never been done before in St. Louis County. But Bell makes it clear it won't be the last.
Sometimes out of tragedy or near tragedy, opportunities come.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
Now, last year, the city of Ladue agreed to pay $2 million to settle a lawsuit filed by Fountain Hall. Meanwhile, the facilitator of restorative justice says they've handled about 200 of these mediations, and about 90% of the victims have said they're satisfied with the outcome.